Today, I want to look at something called PHP. PHP is an open source scripting language, and the bulk of the WordPress core is written in PHP, along as many of the plugins and themes. So it is vital that we make sure that the core is optimized. Now, PHP has a number of versions. One of the earlier ones is version 5.6, and that came out in 2014. And a scary thing is that 40% of WordPress websites are using this old version of version 5.6. Today, I'm going to show you how to check what version you're using and how to upgrade it. Let me just show you something that's quite interesting about the later versions. You'll see there has been a massive improvement from 2014 until today. So let's just replace that ad and put this picture here. Right, PHP 5.5. This shows you the sort of the requests and the speed, and this is PHP 5.5, 5.6, 7, 7.1, 7.2, 7.3, and you will see this is a lot faster. So let's have a look. PHP 7.3 is 10% faster than 7.2. PHP 7.3 is 31% faster than 7.0, which is over there. But this is what's massively interesting. Nearly 3 times the speed of PHP 5.5 or 5.6, which is over here. And remember that 40% of WordPress websites are using this outdated PHP script. And remember that that is the core, that's in the WordPress core. It's the scripting language of many plugins and themes. So let's see how we can update it from 5.5 or 5.6 all the way to 7.3. To do that, jump into your cPanel. Let me just move this along. We're going to jump in here. We're going to click on Multi-PHP Manager. And that's going to open something that looks like this. And if we look at this site, it's tools we like. We're going to do some work for them. And you will select here. You will notice that they are in 7.2. Right. So they are over here. And you will see that 7.3 is 10% faster than 7.2. So that should give a nice little boost. Let's drop it to 7.3 and apply. Give it some time. It has now been applied. Again, not all sites will handle it well. It depends on your plugin and theme. So once you do this update, make sure you do some thorough testing on your website to make sure everything works as it should. But you have just upgraded the PHP version from a lower version to a higher. And depending on what version you're coming from, you can see some massive results for this.